Tulla Library. I would like to welcome you to a card making workshop. I will show you how to make your own greeting cards, which you can use for birthday, Christmas, Easter or good luck cards. A handmade card looks so well and costs very little to make. If you have access to a smartphone, you can take photos of nature and scenery when you're on your nature walks or your daily walks. If you download the free Prints app on your phone, it will allow you to print 45 prints each month for free, and you only have to pay for the postage, which doesn't cost very much. You can print off italic calligraphy sheets from your computer, or you can also get a calligraphy book like we have here in your local library. Now you can also buy a calligraphy marker, which is very handy if you want to do the calligraphy in the card, which makes it more professional looking. And you can buy that in most stationery shops. When you're buying it though, try and get the 2.0 one, because it's finer, the top is finer, and when you're using it, don't press on the top because it's set a certain way that if you press on it you take the shape off it, so you just do it very lightly. And you can practice at home before you start the card. So how you get the card then is you buy this card in your local stationery shop as well, or art and hobby shop. Now they're not available everywhere, it's more art and hobby shops. You get a white one, which is lovely with some photographs. You fold it over to make your card. You place your photograph on the front, like I've done here, and you stick it on with Prit. I use Prit on the very verges, and you get a cloth in to wipe over it so it doesn't smudge, you don't dirty the page. You fold your page over then, and then you open it up and you can do your calligraphy inside. Now I'll do that now. This is my one I've just done, and I will actually do one here. I'll do the calligraphy inside. So just to show you how easy it is. Now, so here we go. I'll be as fast as I can. I'll just do congratulations on it. This is all quite easy. You can always practice. Buy 2 markers maybe. And you can practice first on a piece of paper. Now everybody loves to get a homemade card. I send it abroad to people who are from the area, from Quinn or from Tulla, Quinn I live and Tulla I work. And they love them. They love them so much, some of them have framed them, because they're from this part of the world themselves and they love to see local scenery coming through. But there's just congratulations. It's quite easy to do. And you can see the range of cards here. Some of them, I love animals, so you can see there's a lot of animals. But there's also scenery. You have Dromoland Castle and you have Queen Abbey, where I live, and you have Craigenone Castle down here, and you have lovely little fairy ones from Bunratty, from the Bunratty Folk Park, which is now open, I'm told. And you also have Dromoland Castle. They did have some fairy toadstools and stuff there. I don't think anymore. But Bunratty has a beautiful little fairy garden, and you can go down there and take the photographs. Now this is 2 little lambs that were just after being born that I got down in Cullen near Craigenone, quite close to Craigenone one day. And these are pheasants and my neighbour's horses. So it's really lovely. And then I love sheep as well. This is your Kerry sheep when I was in Kerry before COVID. And the rest of them then are nearly all sheep or horses basically. So that's great, and your family will absolutely love getting a homemade card, because it's so much more precious than getting one you buy in the shop, because you've gone to the trouble of making it and taking the photograph. Yeah, I'll stick on the picture now actually, might be no harm. So we'll pick these are toadstools from Dromoland actually, when they did have them. Not sure if they have them now, but they might have them again. So I'll just show you, it's quite easy. You just go all around, get a nice new Prit stick. That's important, because the other ones are not as smooth as this one, as a new one. A new one is always much better. The other ones are a bit sticky and might go outside the card. So you just go all around like that. And people make these cards professionally and sell them in the shops for over €5 or more. So you just stick it on like that. If you're doing, this is a 5x7 card, okay? And you just go over it with the handkerchief, like I said, but I have the handkerchief put away. And there you have your card. Or you can use the smaller one, in which case, if you use the smaller one, you have room to write under it. You can't write on this one now. You see, you have a beautiful handmade card, and you have a lovely, I buy, these come in the packets as well, so you have the professional envelope to match the card, which fits it, and you can send it off. So It's really, really, really nice and very easy to do and very worthwhile. Now, hope you enjoyed that.